Hey, what is up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video we are going to learn how we can import assets, use assets in Unity. Yes, Unity part 2. Yes, let's get started. So first you need to, I create a new Unity project. So let's create a new Unity project, and I really don't want to power of my battery is low during the video. Okay, so I'm gonna plug it. Okay, 1 2 and 3. So I plug in my laptop into the battery. So let's create a new project in the Unity, in which we are going to create a first game. I'm pretty sure, no, so I'm gonna name it Unity part #2. Okay, so let's choose 3D and create. And like before, it takes time. It takes time. It takes so much time to create the project if you have a low end type laptop. So uh, uh, when it no while it is creating the project, let's talk about the our assets. So what is assets? Assets are the pre-made 3D models, or it can be something like script, or it can be something assets that we can import in our game. We really don't want to make our 3D model if we are making a really small game. So we can import assets and use it. Like we have a terrain tools in Unity. So with the help of terrain tools, we can make our terrain means map really good. So we also have some 3D models and all that thing in assets. So I will show you Unity asset store. So type this and you can get this link, Unity asset store. I will also leave the link in the description. You can check description. You really doesn't check description? What? Please check description of every video. I will click on this Unity asset store, and our project is okay. Our project is creating. It is creating our project. Okay, so in the asset store, Unity asset store, go here and log into your Unity ID. If you doesn't have a Unity account, you can create, but I already have, so I sign in. So here and sign in. Okay, you can see my, okay, you can see this blur. Okay, so I'm gonna click on the account. I'm gonna sign in into my account. Okay, so I'll click on my account, and you can't see my account. This is blur, 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 blur. So I have two mics. Okay, you can see one mic and two mic. Yes. uh so I have signed in into my TC account. TC means tech code account, but I have changed my channel name. So yes, I changed my channel name from tech code to programming fire, because programming fire is a unique name. Okay, unique name, and tech code is already so much channels named tech code. So let's start. So we can search our assets here. So I'm gonna say like uh, 3D characters. Let's try about 3D characters. It lacks something because it is searching. Okay, now you can see we have so much 3D characters, but these all are paid. But if you want free assets, so you can go here to the pricing, and expand it by clicking on this plus button and click on this free assets, or you can select your budget according to the assets. So I click on this, and you can see I already have these assets. So I have this assets and also this 3D shark. So I'm gonna click on this character elf and click on this. You can see our scene is loaded, and I'm gonna click on let's add it to my assets. And okay, so it is loading, you can see, and this say open in Unity and go to my assets. So I'm gonna click on open in Unity. First I'm gonna do something in the Unity. So let's so I doesn't tell you a thing in the Unity that in the last video we are doing this like this game scene, but we can do one more thing. We can drag and drop the tabs like this: inspector tab, game tab, project tab, console tab, anywhere. Okay, so I'm gonna drag this game tab here. Okay, now we can see our game preview here, and I'm also gonna drag this inspector here. uh, uh, no, it is not looking nice. So now it is good. So I'm gonna make it here like so. Now you can see our it is looking good. So first I'm gonna make a cube. So let's make a cube like I do before. If you doesn't watch the you can see, we can see our preview here. I'm gonna say scale, I'm gonna say position 0 0 and 0, and I'm gonna move this camera on the one. Okay, so it is good, but let's make it 5. Okay, oh no, 5 4. Okay, now it is good. I'm gonna make this scale almost 20 x 20. Okay, not camera is for 1. We want cube to be 20. Oh, sorry, 1 we all almost 0.4. Okay, now it is good. 0.3, it is good. And I'm gonna say 20. Now we have a square. So also 10 in the last video we have created so much big ground. So let's move camera. Okay. You can see the preview here. Okay, so now we want to import our character here. So to import this, we gonna click on, we can also say open in Unity, or we can click on this window and then package manager, but I'm gonna click open in Unity. And I'm gonna allow this to do something in my Unity. Okay, it is good. So let it open the package manager. Okay, I had tell you all that thing in the last video. Okay, so you can check that video. Okay, open in Unity. Okay, why it isn't opening? I can also open. Okay, package manager, and then inside of this package manager I'm gonna say my assets, and then we can import it also. uh, when it is going. Okay, so I'm also want to make our ground really good. Okay, I'm also gonna import the no, I have a very special terrain video of this Unity. In that video, so when it is loaded, you need to click on my assets, and then you can see we have all our assets. You can see I click on go to my assets, and when you click on here, you can see I have these assets, and in this you can see also we have these assets. So I'm gonna select the asset I import here, uh 2D breath. What's its name? Character. Elf. Character. Okay, why we doesn't have the? Okay, we can search here. Character. Hmm? Character. I doesn't get this. Okay, open in Unity. Always allow. So I'm gonna click and I hope it open it. Okay. So why it doesn't opening? So anyway, I am gonna import the this asset. Where? Okay, I also have this human character free sample, so we can also download this. First we need to download it from here, download, and then when it download you can import it. So I'm gonna import it because I already download the asset. So I'm gonna import it and it gonna do something and import the assets in our game. So while it is importing our asset, I will meet you when it gonna load. So when it is done, the it done, so you can see this window which say how much character you want or how much assets you want and which part of asset you want, which part not. So I'm gonna say I really don't want the female version, and also I will select, but you can also import all assets or any not asset. So but I don't know why you do this. Okay, so I'm gonna say, let's say male volume 1. Let's add only one volume, well 02. Let import only this male 01. Okay, and then all I take that okay, male 05, 06, and we also don't want this female, and let's import it. Okay, we have done everything, and then I'm gonna import it, and now it import, and also it takes so much time for importing it. Okay, I have selected so much less asset, so it will import really quickly. But if you import a big asset, so it takes time. Okay, if your asset have so much files, so it takes time. If you have a slow laptop or a computer, but I have a fast, but it is old laptop, but it done my work very good. My laptop is fast. Okay, don't dare that you say anything to my laptop. Oh, it lags. Okay, no, it doesn't lag. Okay, so now it import the character. When it import the assets, you can close it, and you can see this folder or one extra folder when you import this. So I am gonna go here and go to prefabs mail, and I'm gonna import one of these mail. So like this I can import this. Okay, it looks good. Okay. And now you can see this look really nice. Okay, uh, by the way, when you right click, so you can move your camera like here. uh, so now let's set up our camera. uh, let's set up our camera, closer, and then upper. And now you can see when I run my game, so our character is successfully imported. And like this way you can import so much thing, we have so much thing in the Unity asset store, or you can import the uh, third party assets from another website, but I will recommend you to import from Unity Asset Store if you are making a small game or you are a beginner. But when you create your own games and publish it to the Steam or publish it to the Play Store, and when you upload the games to your Play Store and Steam, when you upload it publicly, so you need to make your own characters, own 3D models, because you want the copyright power to yourself. So this is for today, guys. I hope you enjoy video and learn something new, and I also hope that you enjoy this new background. So bye bye.